smart bike safety system with alcohol detection. Develop a system that detects alcohol consumption by the rider and prevents bike ignition. Components used: MQ3 sensor, which detects alcohol presence in breath. Arduino Pi microcontroller processes sensor data which controls bike ignition. Relay module controls bike ignition based on sensor data. Working process: rider blows into the sensor which detects alcohol presence. Sensor sends data to microcontroller. It analyzes data and determines rider is drunk. If drunk, it activates relay module to prevent ignition. Benefits: reduce risk of accidents, protects not only riders but also other road users. This project has potential to reduce drunk driving incidents and enhance road safety. An alcohol absorber in a bike, also known as an alcohol ethanol powered bike, is an innovative technology that utilizes alcohol as a fuel source. The alcohol is stored in a fuel cell which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. This energy powers an electric motor propelling the bike. Ethanol is a renewable energy source, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. This technology has potential for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable transportation.
A drone ambulance project aims to utilize drones for medical transportation and emergency response. Drones can transport medical supplies such as blood, vaccines, and medication to remote or hard to reach areas. If the area is too congested or traffic and communication, drones can quickly respond to disaster, providing a critical medical care and supplies. Drone ambulance projects have the potential to revolutionize emergency medical response and transportation, improving patient outcomes and saving lives. The carbon absorber in a traffic signal project aims to reduce air pollution in urban areas. The system uses carbon capture technology to absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Which vehicle pass by the system capture and absorb carbon dioxide, purifying the air. It is mainly suitable for cities with high traffic volumes. This project has potential to improve urban air quality.
A smart dustbin project aimed to create an efficient and hygienic waste management with sensor technology to separate plastic waste and food waste. Infrared sensor detect the type of waste and automatically sort it into separate compartment. Waste is segregated at the source, reducing contamination and making recycling easier. Sensor monitor waste level, sending notification when bin need to be emptied. It helps to reducing greenhouse gases emission and promotes sustainable waste management practices. It minimizes overflowing bin and reducing odor. It can be used in residential complex, parks and public areas. This project has potential to improve waste management, reducing cost and enhance public health care and environmental sustainability. A solar panel wireless charging system is an innovation project that combines renewable energy with wireless charging technology. Solar panel convert sunlight into electrical energy. Energy is transmitted wirelessly to device. It eliminates need for cables, promotes sustainable energy practices and reduces electronic wastes. This system making it sustainable for outdoor users. It eliminates risk of electrical shock and short circuit. This project has potential to provide solution for devices.
Metals for batteries involves extraction essential minerals like lithium, cobalt, nickel and graphite. Implementing in environmentally friendly and socially responsible mining practices, rare earth elements for batteries have been banned or imported with restrictions are aimed at supporting Indian domestic manufacturers and promotes local production under initiative. Investing in R&D for alternate technology, recycle and reuse from scrap, develops circular economy and leads to Indian growth economy. Supply chains transparency, ensuring responsible sourcing and minimize risk. This project helps to meet growing demand for rare metals. Parking sensor. A car parking sensor project uses sensors to detect and guide vehicles into parking spaces. Uses ultrasonic, infrared or camera-based sensor to detect vehicles. Accurately detect parking space occupancy, reducing congestion and improving parking efficiency. It helps to prevent accidents and damage to vehicle. It enhances safety in urban environments.